Data. Get data out of your system, learn from it, and use that information to drive future initiatives with your IVR or chatbot. This is a series of 10 videos where I'm going to be teaching you ways that you can move the needle on conversational AI ROI in your business. This is number 3, and we're going to talk about data. Every day, thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of people are interacting with your IVR and chatbots, and you need to understand what's going on because they won't tell you. Your IVR and chatbots, they might talk to your customers, but they don't talk to you. You have to go watch them and see what's going on. Now, the good thing is that most platforms produce quite a lot of data. The bad thing is that getting at that data and make sense of it can be quite difficult, but it's worth it. There are 2 ways you can do it. You can code into your application markers and log those out, and that's great, and you can use that to build up an understanding of what's going on. But the better approach is to go a bit deeper and log each step in the interaction. So you can really follow through the customer journey. What's happening? What's the bot, the IVR, the chatbot saying? What's the customer saying? What's happening at the back end? What do we do next? Which of those paths are most successful that give most benefit? Reduce calls into the contact center or reduce the length of contact? Which ones are not so successful? People falling out. Why are they falling out? Is it because of problems with the recognition and understanding? Is it because you're saying things to them that they don't understand? Is it because back-end services are not returning the right data or aren't returning data at all in the time that's required? And that's actually something that happens a lot. Systems that work great in QA and work great at first can deteriorate over time just because the back-end systems they rely on are serving up different data or getting a bit slow as volumes increase. But ultimately, get data out of your systems, make a habit of looking at that data and using that data to drive your decision making. Where are your bots performing best, so you should double down? Where have you got problems where you need to address APIs, recognition tuning, design, and where have you got opportunities that you could do more because you've got customers asking for things that you really can't serve, or you've got customers going to agents when really, if you added some automation or changed a business rule or improved an API, you could keep that customer in automation. But whatever you do, get the data, look at it regularly, and have it drive your strategy. This is part of a 10 video series on moving the needle on conversational AI ROI in your business. If you found this useful, consider connecting with me on LinkedIn so you don't miss future videos. Check out my weekly newsletter, Teaching Robots to Talk, and consider signing up to our YouTube channel where we post playlists with all these videos that you can watch at your leisure.